In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly upload an image on Systeme.io. Whether you're new to this platform or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you get your images up in no time. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Systeme.io account. Head over to the website and enter your login credentials, which typically include your email and password. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your dashboard. Make sure you have your credentials ready to streamline the process. Now that you're logged in, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top of the page. Hover your mouse over the website option in the menu. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you will see various options. Among these, you'll want to click on Sales Funnels. This is where you'll have the opportunity to manage and customize various aspects of your online sales approach, including the integration of images into your funnels. Once in the sales funnel section, you'll encounter a workspace where you can edit different elements of your page. Look to the left panel where you'll find various tools and elements you can add to your page. Locate the image element, click on it, and while holding the mouse button down, drag the element across to the desired location on your page. Release the mouse button to drop the image element where you want it to appear. With the image element in place, it's time to configure it. You will want to click on the Settings button associated with the image. This action opens up the options where you can upload your images. Here's where your creativity can shine, so choose an image that best represents your brand or idea. Now look for the cloud-shaped upload button. When you click this button, your computer's file navigator will open. From here you can search through your files to find the image you want to upload. Select the image file, making sure it's in a supported format, typically JPEG or PNG, and then click Open in your file navigator. Finally, with your chosen image selected, click the Insert button. This action finalizes the upload process and ensures your image appears on your page. Take a moment to preview how it looks integrated into your funnel. Feel free to make adjustments or upload a different image if needed. And there you have it, a straightforward process to upload an image on Systeme.io. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you liked this video, don't hesitate to subscribe for more tips and tricks on utilizing Systeme.io and enhancing your online presence.